If you want to lose weight, it's not just about what you eat. What you drink is also important. Many of us unintentionally take in extra calories every day through these drinks. So today's video looks closely at the best drinks for losing weight. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Some of these drinks were picked because they are good for you. Many of the drinks are low in calories and taste good. They are also a good way to stay hydrated while on a diet. Some may help you lose weight in a more direct way, like drinks that may speed up your metabolism or make you feel less hungry. Even though there isn't a lot of research in some of these areas, there are a lot of individual success stories. Even if there isn't a direct weight loss benefit, you're still getting a tasty and healthy drink most of the time. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Water. You might think it's obvious to drink water, since it has no calories, but there are even more things about water that make it a great way to lose weight. If you drink enough water every day, you'll be better hydrated, which can help improve your energy and mood. Also, drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller, which can help you control how much you eat and possibly lose weight. In fact, many people mix up thirst and hunger. Try drinking a glass of water first the next time you think you need a snack and see how you feel. Number 2. Green tea. Too many people I know them drink green tea because they think it's bad for them because it has caffeine. But a small amount of caffeine is a great way to speed up your metabolism and burn more fat. Green tea should be at the top of your list of drinks that help you lose weight. It is full of powerful things that will help you burn fat. Green tea's superpowers aren't just because it has caffeine in it. The real power of green tea comes from the super nutrient epigallocatechin gallate. It works by getting the fat out of your cells. This makes you lose weight and burn fat at the same time. The caffeine in green tea was found to help people lose weight. Number 3. Black tea. Even though black tea hasn't been linked to as many health benefits as green tea, it still has antioxidants that can help improve health and protect against oxidative damage. Black tea is also just a low-calorie hot drink that is healthy. Just because it has these qualities, it is important for weight loss. After all, hot drinks usually fill you up and take a while to drink. Number 4. Lemon water. There is no proof that drinking lemon water will speed up your metabolism or clean your body. But putting a little lemon juice in water is a great, low-calorie way to add flavor to what many people think of as a boring drink. So, if you find it hard to drink enough water during the day, squeeze some of this fruit into your drink. Lemon juice is also full of vitamin C, which can boost your immune system, help your body absorb iron better, and lower your risk of getting some cancers. Number 5. Black coffee. Coffee probably has the worst reputation because it's one of the drinks that gets abused the most. Most people don't know that black coffee is very good for your health. When you add sugar or artificial sweeteners to coffee, that's when things start to go wrong. Every time I go to Starbucks, I can't tell you how many people are ordering venti frappuccinos. The best way to burn the most fat is to drink black coffee. Stay away from sugary coffee drinks, which will take away from the benefits of coffee. People who drink coffee every day have a faster metabolism and burn more fat than those who don't. If you can't drink black coffee because it's too bitter, put a little stevia in it. Just stay away from sugar and fake sweeteners, and you'll be fine. As long as you drink coffee the right way, it can help you lose weight. Number 6. Ginger tea. This powerful root helps people lose weight by getting rid of symptoms that often make it hard to lose weight. In other words, it doesn't cause you to lose weight directly, but it can help you deal with some of the stresses in your body that might stop you from losing weight. Ginger, for example, has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the heart and other organs from damage caused by stress and other factors. Ginger has the potential to lower bad cholesterol and lower blood sugar levels because it contains a compound called gingerol. Some research also shows that drinking ginger water before a meal can help your stomach feel full. Number 7. Chai tea. In many countries, the word chai just means tea, but in the West, The word has come to mean masala chai, which is a spicy and fragrant Indian tea. Since black tea is used to make masala chai, it has the same general weight loss benefits as black tea. There are also many different spices in the tea. Spices and their amounts vary a lot, but cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, and star anise are some that you'll usually see. Chai tea is great for losing weight because it has spices in it, but you have to be careful about how you drink it. Some versions, for example, use steamed milk a lot and are sweetened. The extra sweetener could make it harder to lose weight. Number 8. Vegetable juice. Not only is vegetable juice a great way to get nutrients, but it also has less calories than fruit juice. If you add pulp to the drink, you also get fiber from it. You can either buy vegetable juice or make it yourself. If you want to buy it, make sure you look at the nutrition facts. Some vegetable juices have a lot of sodium, which is not the best thing. Fruit juice is also sometimes added to vegetable juice to make it taste better. This could even mean that there is more fruit juice than vegetable juice in the mix, which raises the amount of sugar and defeats the purpose of drinking vegetable juice. Number 9. Yerba mate. If you want to lose weight and get a caffeine buzz at the same time, yerba mate may be the answer. People say that yerba mate has the power of coffee, the health benefits of tea, and the happy feeling of chocolate. It may help you lose weight and protect your heart at the same time. This is a super drink because it has a lot of antioxidants and can stop inflammation. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid is the main part of apple cider vinegar that helps you lose weight. It can speed up the metabolism and lower insulin levels, which are two very important things. Eating 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar every day has been shown to lower blood sugar levels after meals and make people feel fuller, which could lead to eating fewer calories and weight loss. But also drinks that are high in acid can wear down your teeth and make your heartburn worse. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.